Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make banana cake, and these are all the things that you need: oil spray, baking paper, a cooling rack, cake tin, the sifter, and a large bowl, and also the spatula and the whisker. Let me push this aside so that we could start. First, you're gonna need 2 ripe bananas. You have to peel it. And you can cut this thinly. Thin and small. And that's all the bananas we cut. Put them aside. Now we're gonna mix everything. Now we're gonna sift this 1.5 cup of self-raising flour. Then add 1 cup of caster sugar. Mix well. Then add your 50 grams of butter. Make sure it's melted. Mix together. Then you're gonna add your 2 eggs. Make sure it's lightly beaten. Make a hole in the middle. And pour it in. Mix it all together. Then add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And lastly, 1/2 cup of milk. And lastly, your banana. Make sure everything is mixed together and make sure the consistency is perfect. You don't want to be super liquidy or dry. I think this is what we need. Now we're gonna prepare our cake tin. First, you're gonna spray like so. After you spray this one, you're gonna put your baking paper on top and put this back together. If you have this excess paper out, you can just rip it off like so. And also you could spray on the side. Not too much, just lightly. And then give this a little bit of mixing before you're gonna put in the tin. Now we're going to put this in the oven that we preheated for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Guys, welcome back. Now we're going to check our cake. Still a little bit runny. I think we still need like at least 5 to 8 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back again. Now we're gonna check our cake. Now it's totally cooked. We're gonna let it set for at least 10 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back. Now our cake is ready. We're gonna cut it and taste it. I'm excited. Ooh, look at that. As you can see, I prepared tea. This is perfect with tea. Now I have dinner. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Cheers!